Alright, we are at the end of our village tour now. Down there is our boats and the waterfall down there. We're gonna get into our boats, go for a ride. We're gonna eat some lunch, which our tour guides have prepared for us. And after that, we're gonna swim. I look forward to it. Gonna get back in the boat. We're gonna go back down the rapids. I'll meet you guys in a bit. Woo! Check out that big waterfall right there.